Plant FAQs. Begonia Soli Mutata. Begonia Soli Mutata, the sun-kissed chameleon. Hi, Ferbu here, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of the Begonia Soli Mutata, also known as the sun-changing begonia. This captivating plant isn't your average houseplant. It boasts a mesmerizing ability to transform its foliage based on light levels, making it a true conversation starter. But before we delve into its color-changing magic, let's address some of the most common questions I get about this unique begonia. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What makes the Begonia Soli Mutata special? The Soli Mutata's claim to fame lies in its incredible photochromic properties. Yes, just like some sunglasses, the leaves react to sunlight. In brighter environments, the foliage deepens into a rich, chocolate brown, with contrasting emerald veins that pop against the darker backdrop. In lower light, the leaves transition to a more traditional deep green with a subtler vein pattern. This captivating light show is all thanks to clever cellular adaptations. The leaves contain chloroplasts, tiny organelles responsible for photosynthesis. When exposed to strong sunlight, these chloroplasts rearrange themselves within the cells, giving the leaves their characteristic dark hue. In lower light, the chloroplasts disperse, allowing the vibrant green pigments to shine through. How do I care for my Begonia Soli Mutata? Keeping your sun-changing begonia happy is relatively simple. Here's what you need to know. Light. This begonia thrives in bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Experiment with placement to find the sweet spot where your plant displays its color-changing magic. Water. Aim for consistent moisture, but avoid soggy soil. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Humidity. Moderate humidity is ideal. Grouping your begonia with other humidity-loving plants or using a pebble tray filled with water can help create a more humid microclimate. Temperature. The Soli Mutata prefers warm temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Avoid drafts and sudden temperature fluctuations. Soil. Use a well-draining, airy potting mix specifically formulated for African violets or begonias. Fertilizer. A balanced, diluted liquid fertilizer applied during the growing season, spring and summer, can give your plant a boost. Can I propagate my Begonia Soli Mutata? Absolutely. There are two main methods for propagating your Begonia Soli Mutata: stem cuttings and leaf cuttings. Both methods are relatively straightforward and offer a rewarding way to expand your collection or share this unique plant with friends. Stem cuttings. Take a healthy stem tip with at least 2 nodes, leaf junctions. Remove the lower leaves and dip the cut end in rooting hormone, optional. Plant the cutting in a moist, well-draining potting mix and keep it warm and humid until roots develop. Leaf cuttings. Select a healthy, mature leaf and cut it cleanly from the stem. You can then cut the main vein of the leaf in several sections, ensuring each section has a small portion of the petiole, leaf stalk, attached. Plant these sections in a moist, well-draining potting mix and keep them warm and humid for successful propagation. Begonia Soli Mutata versus Begonia pavonina. Striking similarities, subtle differences. The Begonia pavonina, also known as the peacock begonia, is another captivating begonia variety known for its stunning foliage. Both the Soli Mutata and pavonina boast beautiful, patterned leaves. However, there are some key distinctions to consider. Coloration. The Soli Mutata displays a fascinating interplay between chocolate brown and emerald green, while the pavonina showcases a more vibrant palette of metallic silver and deep green. Light sensitivity. The Soli Mutata's color-changing capabilities are more pronounced compared to the pavonina, which maintains its signature coloration regardless of light levels. Growth habit. The Soli Mutata has a bushier, more compact growth pattern. The pavonina tends to grow taller and more leggy. Ultimately, the choice between these two stunning begonias boils down to personal preference. If you're captivated by the light-reactive foliage, the Soli Mutata is your champion. If you seek a captivating color combination that remains constant, the pavonina might be a better fit. Bringing the magic home. Why choose the Begonia Soli Mutata? The Begonia Soli Mutata is more than just a houseplant. It's a captivating conversation starter and a living testament to the wonders of plant adaptation. Its ability to transform its appearance based on light levels adds a touch of whimsy to any indoor space. Imagine catching your guests mesmerized by the leaves slowly deepening in color as the afternoon sun streams through the window. It's a constant reminder of the dynamic interplay between light, life, and the natural world. Plus, caring for the Begonia Soli is relatively easy, making it a great choice for both seasoned plant parents and curious beginners. With its manageable size, stunning foliage, and interactive nature, the sun-changing begonia is sure to become a cherished member of your indoor jungle. So, why not bring a touch of magic into your home and add this fascinating plant to your collection? You won't be disappointed.